guys, welcome to my channel or welcome to my brand new channel. I am Almatra. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. So I'm going to tell you what I had right now. I'm shooting this intro after eating that thing which is really spicy. So you all know how Korean foods are famous and how it's really damn tasty and how people are hyped about it and how people enjoy having it even though it's damn spicy sometimes to have. So I had one of their noodles, which is a 2x spicy noodles. I don't know the real name of it because I cannot pronounce it, so I thought I'll call it 2x spicy noodles. So I call it 2x spicy noodles, and it was damn spicy. Oh, can't imagine. So I already opened the packet, so I can't show it to you right now, so I'll put the clip somewhere, that packaging clip, so you can see which one I'm talking about. So I brought 5 boxes of it, like 5 packets in one box. So I'll show you what all I brought. So let's get in the video. So I got this parcel in this, which you can see it. The one which I tried was buldak. I think you can call it buldak something. So I don't want to pronounce it wrong, so I'm just saying 2x spicy, which is already open. You can see the packaging. This is the packaging. So the next one I'm going to say is kimchi. Kimchi is basically like a pickle kind of thing. So this is kimchi one, the pickle flavored one. You can see this one. And again the buldak, which is hot chicken flavored ramen, but I don't know how it will gonna taste, because this is the same thing but I think it'll be a little different. So I have 2 of it, which is these 2. Yeah, so I have 2 of it, and one more is the cheese one. So this is the cheese one. I think this is gonna be the non-spicy one, so I'm gonna keep it for the end because I'm gonna have a nice non-spicy one for the end for sure. I need it. And I think next I'm gonna try is this kimchi, which is I don't know when, but I'm gonna try next. So I'm excited to like try all this, and I'm gonna try making different kinds of food videos, which I think you would love watching it. So yeah. So here it is, my Korean noodles, which is a spicy 2x noodles, which I think it is gonna be really spicy, and I'm trying it for the first time. And here it is. It's damn red. I think the camera won't be able to catch it because it's a little blurry, but it's damn red, as you can see. So I have a chocolate with me here, so that if I get spicy I can have it. So let's give it a try. It's good. It's spicy, but it's good. I like it. I didn't put the full sauce. I put the seasoning full, but I didn't put the full sauce because I know it's gonna be really more spicy than I expect. So I didn't put the full sauce, but it's good. Pura sauce na डालने का यही नतीजा. It's good, but it's damn spicy, I can say, with the less spicy, like with the less sauce I put. So let's go. The first packet of the Korean box is done. So as you all know, last time I tried the 2x noodles, the Korean one ramen, which is the spiciest one, but I put just little less sauce, so it was not bad, but it was good. So I'm gonna rate it for taste 7, and for spice level 6, because I added the sauce less, so that's why. So now I'm going to try the next one, which is the kimchi one, which you can see here, because yeah. So this is the non-spicy one, which I think it should be, because it's not that red like the other one. So yeah, so give it a taste test. Actually, this tastes like top ramen, which I think you people have had it. So this is like top ramen, and it tastes really good because I love top ramen a lot. So maybe this is the same flavor, but this is a kimchi ramen, and I don't think why it tastes like ramen to me, like top ramen. So, but still, anyway, it is good. So I think I'm gonna finish this and get back to you. So guys, I'm trying the third Maggie, and ignore the location here because I felt so hot, so I wanted to come in the balcony and shoot it. So this is the yellow color packet, which is the cheese one, which is, I think, will not be spicy, but it had the same packet, like the same sachet for that sauce sachets. It had the first one, 2x spicy one. So I guess it will be little spicy, but there will be a cheese flavor in it. So I'm going to show you how it looks. See, this is the way it looks. It's the same red. It doesn't look like a red, the first one, because I didn't put the sauce that much at that time. But here it is a lot. This is the yellow color packet, the cheese one. And okay, so before eating this, I'm gonna rate before this I ate the kimchi one. So I'm gonna give it a 5 because I didn't like it a lot because it tasted like Indian top ramen. Yeah, and it had a flavor that it had an after flavor which stuck above my mouth. So it didn't go for a long time. I felt so irritated and like frustrated because of that taste in it. So I didn't like a lot that much. So I'm giving it a 5. I'm gonna eat this and rate it right now because I feel I should rate eating the thing right away so it'll be better. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and just crossing my fingers. It has a cheese flavor in it. So yeah. Okay, so it has a cheese flavor in it, but the spice level is the same as the 2x. So 2x I put the sachet thoda sa, right? So that spice is there, but it's not that spicy that I cannot tolerate. People who eat less spicy, don't try 2x one, don't try this also. Cheese one also has spice, guys. It is the same level of spice which 2x has. So I think I will rate this 7 because it has cheese. It smells cheesy, but it is not like taste wise it is not cheesy. So I didn't expect it to be cheesy and all, but it should be at least a bit cheesy, but it is not. So I rated 7. For the last noodles I had, which was like a week ago or something like that, that was the like the least favorite noodles I had actually, which was the fourth one. Why it is fourth one? Because I have 2 packets of it, so it's like the fourth one, the last noodles of this video apparently. So I forgot to record, and that was the least favorite of it because it tasted the not worst, I can say, not the best also. It tasted like the first one, I guess, like the 2x noodles. And but there was something different in it which I fell off about these noodles, and I don't know how to rate it or how to react to it also because I couldn't shoot that day because I was hungry, so I had it anyhow. So I didn't shoot anything about it, but it was literally the off noodles I had, like among all the noodles I had. It was the offers noodles I had actually because it tasted a little different, a little weird. It had some sesame seeds also in it, and it was little not to my taste, I guess, like not up to my taste, and I couldn't do anything about it. So yeah, and I put the sauce same amount. Half ही डाला था मैंने and half only I put because I couldn't handle the spice in it because it had the same spice that 2x noodles had. Okay, I knew it was gonna be spicy, but I didn't expect it to be that spicy like 2x noodles it should be like. So I'll rate it around 2 because it was bearable, it was eatable. Yeah, it's not bearable, it's eatable. So I can say it is 2. Yeah, so it's 2. Here we are into the video, and I hope you liked my reaction to every noodles I had, and I'm going to rate every noodles according to it, like 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give it a rate card. So I'm going to say first noodles I liked was 2x noodles, second was like the cheese one, and then I can say kimchi, and then I will say this last noodles which I had, which I couldn't pronounce the name still now. So I'm sorry for it. I'm really very sorry for it. So point is that rating this noodles, I wanted to rate this noodles because I thought it would be a fun thing to tell you how I liked it, because I know Korean people like the noodles in different flavors, different level they like it. But according to Indians, how they express their reaction, their taste levels, their way of eating this noodles, I'm going to give out what an Indian can. So I want to know how an Indian likes this noodles. Like, I know most of the Indians will like this noodles. Like, there are so many K-pop fans, there are so many BTS fans, there are so many K-drama fans who watches this and want to eat this food and all, and they are craving everything, and they have tried also, and they have liked it a lot also. But according to my perspective, this is not my kind of taste. Or maybe I had the instant noodles, that's why I don't like the taste. Maybe the original ones, maybe I can have a look into it, and I can have a flavor of it maybe. So I wanted to give this out to you people. So I hope you liked this video, like to an extent, I can say not a lot, but to an extent I think you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to the channel, and please press the bell icon, so whenever I post the next video, you can go and watch immediately, so you can be the first person to watch my video. So ta-da!